Hello, I hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to share with you an article that I read in the Forbes. The article is titled Merger, the Art of Financing Merger and Acquisition. In this article, the author highlighted some of the challenges that are associated with merger and acquisition financing. These challenges stem from the fact that mergers in general, they're complex and they are risky. Because of that, the author suggested a few financing mechanisms that are to be followed. The first one being earn-outs. Earn-outs refers to a process whereby the organization that is entering into a merger or that intends to acquire a certain organization pays half of the price or an agreed amount, but not in full. This amount is then tied, the rest of the amount is then tied to the performance of the organization in the future. This helps the organization that is entering into a merger to mitigate itself against future losses. The second one being strategic use of debt and equity. That is striking a balance between the debt and the equity of the organization to determine the fair value of the organization that they are purchasing or that they are measuring with. The third one being self-financing. This entails fully paying for an organization that is being merged with. This is strategic in the sense that it creates a harmonious working relationship, build confidence between the two partners, and also enables the organization or the directors or the employees of the organization that have been merged with to work or perform effectively. What I've found interesting about all this is that it reflects back to what we discussed in the lecture about how we need to be strategic when we are determining when or the type of measure that we're supposed to take, the kind of amount or determining the fair value of the organization, as well as whether we are going ahead with the measure or not. So for me, this was something that was very striking and something that was reflective to what we have been doing and what we have learned. Thank you.